What's going on, everyone? I'm Wes McQuaid with Puppet Makers, and welcome to another one of my random videos. And right now, it is, let me show you. Alright, let's just show you up here then. It is 10:23 at night. And just to prove that I'm not fooling with you, it is dark outside. Hi. And at our household today, guess what I just baked with help from my grandma with baking and help from my mom with helping with the icing? A chocolate cake. The only step left is to eat this. And I really hope that this is going to be delicious.
Got it?
Not yet.
Oh.
Well, the other step besides eating it is cutting it. I haven't cut it yet. So, I baked a cake. So, yeah. Alright. So, thanks for watching my random video tonight, and it's been a nice peaceful Friday night. I've enjoyed the night so far. If you hear background noise, sorry about that. So yeah, I'm Wes McQuaid with Puppet Makers, and I will see you later.